Good morning children, back to the class. So in this class today we will be seeing about the fun with grammar. In the yesterday's class we have seen the two lessons, that is the fun with the rhymes and the words likely to be confused. About that both we have learned confused words also we have seen. Today we will be seeing the fun with the grammar. So the grammar, in the grammar there are some words are there. They give a their way of sound is same, but the meaning and spelling will be different. The meaning and spelling will be different. So like that words we call them as a homophones. How we call homophones? Homophones. These homophones they look, means the sound will be same. The sound, the way we are pronouncing, that sound will be same, but the spelling and meaning totally will be different. So they have given you as some exercise only. They have given exercise number A, B, C. So just we will, each one I will tell you 2, 3. Then you can write. The first one is, I wore a dash of gloves on my hands. Means 2 if I am wearing gloves. One is there means gloves is there. So when a pair means both, that means pair we call them. How we call? Pair. So just first one what you can write? P-A-I-R, pair. Pair of gloves. So the ship said, the ship said dash, sail. Sail means which one? S-A-I-L, sail. So this is the way how to, the spelling sound will be same, but the sound, but the meaning and the next one will be what? Meaning and spelling will be different. Next one you come. So same thing what you have done in B, what they have done, whatever you have, like a blank they have given, option they have. Here what they have, like a blank you have to write there. Complete the list of homophones by writing another word that sounds same, but the different meaning are spelling. So loud we say. Loud means that is allowed. Allowed means that is you allow like that. So like that they have given pain, pain, pair, pair, bear, bear. So just you have to write there. So first one is what they have, P-A-L-E. So other side what we have to write, same pronunciation, that is a pay, pay. So just like that you have to write, but the meaning should be pay. Here we have written pay. So for this one opposite word what we can, means other word. The sound will be same, but meaning and spelling will be different. So pay, pay. P-A-I, pay. So just like that you have to write down. So bear, bear, west, west, new, new. So just you have to write. Next one, C1 you see. A component word which made up a 2 or more words. With a one word we can make it 2 or more words. 2 words you can make. If it is not, that means more words also you can make. So first one you see, example they have given what? Sun. S-U-N, sun plus light. This is a C1. L-I-G-H-T, light. Sun plus light is equal to sunlight. What is this one? Sunlight. So this is the way they have given example. Next one, what only we will join. She looks too grand to be the poor boy's mother. So what we can write? Bold letter they have given. Both words we join. G-R-A-N-D, grand plus mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Very easy. Grand plus mother is equal to what we can say? Grandmother. G-R-A-N, grandmother. So grandmother we have written. So G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R, grandmother. That is the way, like the cook ate of the golden pea. So peacock. What is that one? Cook plus C-O all the golden pig. So peacock. The next, if you come, unscramble the following D1. Following names of chapters you have suited in the book. So just they have given unjumbled. Just you have to write in a correct way. So just you can see alphabet, nouns, verbs, tense and adjectives. Just they have given. Next, give the, see even you see, give the opposite of the following. Opposites, this also you know very well. Opposites words you have to give. What the first one they have given? Auntie, opposite word? Uncle. Auntie's opposite word? Uncle. The next one, begin, end, cheerful, cheerless or a sad. Like that you can, delayed means accept. So just like that you have to opposite words you write down. Try so that it will be easy. I will be giving you as a PDF, you can see and write. So if T becomes a team and bar becomes a bear, what do the following become? So they have given you some words with that you have to make it. 10 means 10, T and 10. 10 you can write. RIP. RIP means RIPE. So wine, just like that you can see here. For example, I will say TEN. What you can write? TENT. 10. So like this one word you have to add and complete. So rent, RAN, rent. BAT, bat. So bed, BAT, bed. So like this also you can write BAT. So just you have to keep the word and the last word, then you have to make the new word from it. Next one you see, I am from India, so I am in Indian. So this is very easy. Koyato is from Japan, so she is a, what is she? She is a Japanese. Charles is from America. He is an American. Then next one, Charlotte is from Canada. She is a Canadian. Like that, just you have to do. Next one you see. Next one is, where are the following kept? Where are the following things are kept? In which place they are kept? First one, bangles. Bangles where we keep? Bangles we keep in a box. The second one, what they have given? Books. Books where we will see? Library. A line. Library. So in the library only we see the more books. So library. Just like that you have to write. The next one, bowls and dishes where we in a kitchen we see. Sofas and side tables where we see. Living room we have. So just they have given the words, some things they have given, but you have to write in which place these things are kept. How we have written bangles in a box, bangle box we keep, books we keep in library, just like that you have to do. Next one, choose the correctly and write one word to describe the following. Correct word you have to choose. Options they have given, correct word. A dash mirror. Nourishing mirror, beautiful. Beautiful we cannot say. So, a nourishing mirror. The next one, a dash saree. Amazing story of silk saree. We say silk saree. The next, a dash accident. Fatal. So, bad we cannot say. The next one, a dash friend. Lovely friend or ugly friend. So, we say lovely. In that we are. And last, J1 you see. Use the word to replace those written in the bold word types. Choose from the list given in a then. So here bold words they have given, from there you have to replace it. Just the lady went to the other side of the road quickly. So what we can write there? The lady crossed the road. Instead of writing that much big, just you can write there. The lady went to the other side of the road. Went to the other side. Instead of that, the lady crossed the road. Simple words they have given, so that you have to write. First one, cross. Cross the road. The lady crossed the road. Second one, he spoke to the old lady loudly. So just you can, a simple word you can use there, loudly. So this is the way we can write. I hope this is the lesson. Please you also try to do. Anyhow, I will give you the PDF. But you also try how much you can do by yourself all this grammar. Fun with grammar. When you do, you will be enjoying. So thank you for watching.